Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masagari Channel, a faith healer o Zamata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin ang nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a monthly gabay for the month of December 2023 for the sign of Gemini. So, Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ng ating mga Gemini ang ating masasaga for today's video? Sorry po guys. This reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagop. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik digdig nag-uumapa o manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, Gemini, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages give me information for the sign of Gemini. Ano kaya ang pasabog at bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid nating Gemini? Ang masasagap for today's video. And of course, there's Page of Sword. Now, there's an information. May mga bagay na dapat kang malaman dito at may mga bagay na madidiscover ka, no? And of course, there's a Knight of Sword. Kumbaga, there's end of the stress, no? Parang sinasabi na tinatapos na yung stress or something, anxiety or deception. Kumbaga some of you, no, ng mga nakarang araw, grabe yung pag-iisip nyo, grabe yung stress. And of course, there's an information na parang, kumbaga nalaman mo na, no? Kumbaga bigla mong, o nagkaroon ka bigla ng idea or something, information, at may malalaman ka at nalaman mo na talaga. And of course, there's a Six of Wands, there's a victory and success. Magkakaroon ka raw dito ng tagumpay sa anumang yung ginagawa mo. And of course, there's the word card, there's a travel. So, ibig sabihin dito, nagtagumpay ka or nakapasa ka, no? Nakapasa ka sa evaluations for immigration or something, no? Kumbaga, baka may may inaano kang visa or something na may travel, no? There's an kumbaga nakapasa ka, ganon. And of course, there's Six of Pentacles, magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. No? And of course, additional messages. And of course, there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big money coming in for you. No? May malaking pera and may malaking oportunidad na papasok na dito sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Page of Swords. And of course, there's Emperor. Be mature enough in being grounded. No? Kumbaga, this is the moment na kumbaga mature ka na at kumbaga itong bagay na pag nalaman mo, kumbaga hindi ka na kagad naapektuhan. Kumbaga, nauuna na yung yung pag-iisip mo kaysa dun sa nararamdaman. Parang inaano mo yung nararamdaman, parang siniset aside mo no? Kaya kumbaga nagkakaroon ka na ng temper, gano'n. So, let's see what is the Knight of Swords. And because there's a Ten of Swords. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a backstabbing or betrayal on you. So, ibig sabihin natapos na yung stress, and of course, natapos na yung anxieties, dahil, kumbaga, naunawaan mo kung bakit nagkaroon ng betrayal at nagkaroon ng something sabotage, no? So, ibig sabihin, naunawaan mo na ganun talaga, 'di ba? Kung sino pa yung malapit, o sino pa yung mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, siya pa yung tatrader sa'yo. And of course, there's a Tower moment, very chaos. Ibig sabihin dito, guys, there's information there's a disaster. No? May mga bagay na nasira, may mga bagay na kailangan buuin. And of course, sinasabi dito magtatagumpay ka. So, let's see what is the word card. The word card represents a Six of Cups, no? There's some friend, or relatives, or an ex, no? Kumbaga na nasa ibang bansa, or some of you, kumbaga, mangingibang bansa ka na, with your family, with your friends, or with your exes. Parang ganon. So, let's see what is the Six of Pentacles. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's Five of Swords, no? There's a self-sabotage na kaya kailangan aware ka, no? Kumbaga, there's a balance. Magkaroon ng balance pagdating sa give and take, no? Hindi lang basta bigay ng bigay. Kasi at the end of the time, magkakaroon ng self-sabotage. Kumbaga, gagamitin yung bagay na yan para siraan ka, gano'n. Kumbaga, kailangan maging balance ka. Let's see what is the Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles represent the Six of Swords. So, there's a transition, no? Makakaalis ka na sa situation. Even pagdating sa finances, no? Kumbaga, makaka-recover ka na. At there's a new opportunities coming in for you na magdadala sa iyo ng financial stable or kumbaga, there's solid foundation or solid investment, no? So, let's see what is the Page of Swords and the Emperor. Let's see what is the Page of Swords and the Emperor. And of course, there's a King of Wands. So, there's a stability and control, no? You are being mature enough na para maapektuhan ng ibang tao. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga nag-iisip ka na, you are a very standard person. Kumbaga, hindi ka na basta nagpapa-apekto, no? Let's see what is the Knight of Swords in reverse and the Ten of Swords. So, there's a Ten of Wands. So, there's a burdens, no? Marami ka talagang, kumbaga, sacrifices or something, obligations na tapos at the end of the time, tinraidor ka or binackstab ka, diba? Yung parang users or something, no? Ginamit ka lang, gano'n. So, this is the moment by the Knight of Swords. Kumbaga, alisin mo na yung fear, alisin mo na yung pangamba mo, alisin mo na yung stress and anxieties. Oh, gano'n talaga. There's a person talaga na gano'n, no? Wala mga utang na loob. May mga bagay lang talaga na kailangan mo i-move on or kailangan mo i-let go. Kasi ikaw lang din maka-apektuhan kapag sinlink in mo yung negativity na hindi ka magkakaroon ng growth and expansion. Diba? Kumbaga, oh yes, a big deal yon dahil, kumbaga, tinrider ka, no? Sa likod ng tinulong mo or something sacrifice na ginawa mo, no? Kumbaga, ginawang ka pa ng hindi maganda. Yes, of course, kung may ano ka na magalit or something mainis, no? Pero, ganun talaga, 'di ba? You need to let go, no? And you need to moving on. So, ibig sabihin dito, wag ka na lang ulit magtiwala at maniwala, no? Let's see what is the Six of Swords and the Tower moment. And because there's a Four of Wands, so there's a celebration coming in for you. Magkakaroon ka ng celebration, homecoming, or engagement, or something, kumbaga, achievements and success coming in for you. Now, there's a twin flame energy. Now, may mga bagay na nasira sa'yo, yes, pero mabubuo din yan with the Four of Wands. So, let's see what is the word card in the Six of Cups, no? And because there's a Three of Pentacles, so there's a, maaaring, mayroon sa yung magturong kaibigan, no? Sa trabaho sa ibang bansa or isasama ka ng kaibigan mo sa ibang bansa, ganon, or with your relatives or with your workmates, no? Kumbaga, mag-ano sa'yo na, mga ibang bansa tayo, ganito, ganyan. There's an opportunity doon, kumbaga, may mga bagay kang matututunan na bago, no? Na magdadala sa success. Let's see what is the Six of Pentacles and the Five of Swords. So, there's a Five of Pentacles, no? Maging aware ka lang, no? About sa finances, no? Kailangan, maging fair ka. At the same time, kailangan balance, no? Kasi tendency kapag hindi ka naging balance, there's a Five of Pentacles, magkakaroon ka ng losses sa financial. Or, kumbaga, there's a lack of, kumbaga, there's, kumbaga, baka mahirapan ka, mabaong ka sa utang, gano'n. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa ito, panatiliin mo maging balance, no? Isipin mo yung mga bagay na pagkagastusan mo, dapat mayroon pa rin pupasok, no? Let's see what is the Ace of Pentacles and the Six of Swords. And of course, there's the Sun card. There's a pure positivity. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng transition about sa finances na magdadala sa'yo ng maturity. At the same time, there's a success coming in for you na with the Sun card na there's a pure positive outcome. Diba? Kumbaga, ngayon, kumbaga, laging positibo ang tinitingnan mo. Hindi ka tumitingin sa negatibo. It's a good part, no? So, let's see what is the outcome. Parang learn from the mistakes. Parang ganon. There's a learn from the mistakes. So, let's see. What is the Five of Wands? There's a conflict and competitors, no? Maraming komplikado na there's a, since maging aware ka, no? Protection mo yung finances mo, yung territory mo, even your power. Kasi there's a conflict with your friends, no? Baka magkaroon ng komplikado sa kaibigan mo, kailangan maging mautak ka. No? Baka itong taong tumulong sa'yo, baka bigla kang iwan sa ere. Diba, this, with the Eight of Cups, no? Baka iwan ka sa ere. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito na Four of Cups, and of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito na re-evaluate or analyze, no? Kailangan maging mautak ka, kumbaga, laging isipin mo yung advantage or disadvantage sa isang bagay, diba? Tingnan mo lagi yung mga magiging possibilities. Additional messages. Kung mga ibang bansa ka, kailangan secure ka sa sarili mo, no? Kailangan ingatan mo yung pera mo, even yourself, 'di ba? Kasi mamaya iwan ka sa ere o mamaya ibenta ka, 'di ba? Na magdala ng komplikado. So, maging aware ka, lahat ng bagay ay dapat sigurado ka, no? Maging sigurista ka sa lahat ng eksena. Because there's a Four of Swords, listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling, no? Lagi ka makikinig sa iyong intuition. Kasi there's an intuition na ibibigay sa iyo ng angel spirit para bigyan ka ng mensahe o babala, no? And because there's a 444 angel's number, you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direksyon ka naman, pero ang sinasabi dito, there's an awareness and consciousness, no? Kailangan lagi kang mapagmatsyag or observant na tao. So, ibig sabihin dito, lagi kang maging maingat, no? Maging mabusisi sa lahat ng eksena. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. And of course, there's a coffee cup. So, there's a meeting and conversations, no? And of course, there's a Grim Reaper by the relationship is over. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating sa relasyon, talagang tinatapos na. And no second chances. Grow and transform your life, no? Baguhin mo yung buhay mo. No ba? Or some of you, baka iiwan ka sa ere ng jowa mo or asawa mo, ha? Diyan sa ibang bansa, gano'n. Baka magkasama kayo or something ganyan. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Yin and Yang Oracle card. Get me information. And because there's fulfillment. So, there's a wishes coming through. At the same time, there's integration and union. No? May pagsasama at talagang may pagtatagpo talaga dito. No? At talagang pagsasama sa inyo at magdadala sa inyo ng pangarap nyo, wishes coming true. And there's a seeds, no? Yung mga tinanim yung mga bagay na memories or something na sacrifices, no? Kumaga magbubunga yan. Let's see what is additional fairy messages for magical fairy messages, angel spirit guides. Give me an information. And of course, guys, there's winter. So some of you, the answers to your prayers and affirmations are fully realized in the winter month. So ibig sabihin dito, malalaman mo yung kasagutan sa lahat ng mga dasal mo, no? Ngayong winter months, no? So let's see what is additional messages for dito tayo, no? Romance angels. So pagdating sa relasyon, malalaman natin na. So, let's see what is additional messages. Getting to know each other. If you were single now, so sinasabi dito na getting to know each other. Kilalanin mo muna, no? Bago ka, diba? Bago ka kumagat sa isang eksena. Hindi tayo pwedeng sunggab na sunggab. No? Let's see what is the Monsology. Let's see what is the Monsology. What is this Monsology? Angel Spirit Guides. And of course, now, take time to read out. No? Kailangan mo muna ng oras, pag-isipan, pagmunihan, no? At kailangan mo huminga na malali. And there's a communication is the key, no? Kailangan nyo ng communications. Additional messages. Get more information. And of course, sinasabi din dito na don't let past hold you back. No, wag mo na babalikan yung mga nakaraan na. Lalo-lalo na yung nagdulot sa'yo ng sakit, no? Iniwan ka sa ere, no? Kailangan wag mo nang babalikan yan. Kasi mauulit-ulit yung eksena, no? Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. And because there's an have confidence, no? Kailangan mo magkaroon ng confidence and your inner guidance is real and trustworthy, no? Yung mga gabay mo ay mapagkakatiwalaan mo. So, let's see what is the energy. Let's see what is the energy. Fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel for intuitions. Nabibigyan ka ng intuition, Archangel Gabriel, para maunawaan mo yung nangyayari behind your back. Baka dinadaan nga with the angel's number or angel synchronicities, ganon. Kumbaga kailangan maging mapagmasid, no? And of course, there's the thinking woman. So, with some of you, if you are a woman, kumbaga tamang hinala ka, or of course, being paranoid or overthink ka. If you are a man na Gemini, sinasabi dito na kumbaga nag-overthink ka sa lahat ng nangyayari. Because there's a broken heart, no? Maaaring some of you are broken-hearted. So, let's see what is the chakra messages for the sign of Gemini. What is the chakra? Okay, there's a soulmate connection. So, even you are a soulmate. So, and of course, sinasabi dito, there is a grip, no? May mga bagay na hindi mo na mababalik, no? Kumbaga, it's an opportunity to learn. no? And of course, there's a miracle. May himala and there's an hope, no? May pag-asa. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a taking actions. Isa pa to, na kailangan mo mag-take ng actions. At the same time, what is additional message? There's a winter for transition release. No? May mga bagay na kailangan mong alisin. May mga bagay na kailangan mong makaalis sa situation. And of course, sinisa dito, there's go for it na kailangan mong ilaban. May mga bagay na kailangan mong ilaban. And of course, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages for angels. There's a growth. Na magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion dito. Papalawakin ang kaalaman mo. At the same time, there is a judgment. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na kanya-kanyang uniqueness, no? Kaya, don't be judged first side. No, wag kang humusga sa isang bagay na alam mong hindi ka pa sigurado. Next, there's a challenges na natatamo o nararanasan mo. So, ibig sabihin na may mga kanya-kanyang uniqueness, kaya wag ka mag-judge sa isang bagay, no? Or there's a wake-up call. Kumbaga, there's a wake-up call na kailangan mo pakinggan, gano'n, or kailangan mo malaman. And there's a counseling, no? Kumbaga, may mga kumbaga, advices sa'yo with your angel spirit or angels guides na kailangan mo malaman, no? And of course, there's a nutrition. Some of you, kailangan nyo ng mga masusustansyang pagkain like gulay, vegetables, na makakatulong sa'yo for healing works, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages for angel spirit guides. And of course, dito, there's a whale and the orca elder. So, there's a frequency of sound. So, divine depth, share your song. So, napakalalim nito. No? Laki na, parang malalim yung pinanguhugutan mo ditong, pinanguhugutan mong nararamdaman. Something ganon. Kumbaga, talagang baon na hanggang saan yung sakit na naranasan mo. Parang ganon yung sinasabi sa akin dito. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. And of course, sinasabi din dito ni Jesus loving quotes, let not your heart be troubled, neither let be afraid. No? Pwede kang matakot at pwede kang mangamba o makaramdam ng kumbaga pagkalito, no, or pagkatakot. No? Wag lang daw yung puso mo yung maguluhan. Ganon. So, let's see what is Arcangel Raphael messages for you. Sobriety. So, kailangan nyo talaga fruits and vegetables. No? Lakas ang energy. Kailangan nyo ng fruits and vegetables. So, let's see what is the angel's number. What is the angel's number? And of course, there is a 2 by Roman number. You have a keen awareness of what is happening around you. A strong intuition is your gift and will help you understand that unspoken feeling and thoughts of others. That insight allow you to be a great guide and supporter. See? Napakalakas daw yung intuitions mo. Yung sinasabi ko kanina, di ba? Kumbaga, lakasan yung pakiramdam, lakasan yung, kumbaga, vibrations. Kaya dyan mo malalaman at mauunawaan yung nangyayari behind your back, di ba? Yan yung bibigay ng signs or synchronicities ng ating angel spirit para maunawaan mo yung nangyayari na bagay na mangyayari pa lang, no? At para kumbaga mapaghandaan mo or something, at least alam mo na yung mangyayari. Parang gano'n. So, meron tayong angel's answer, guys, no? Kailangan nyo lang magtanong sa isip nyo. At ito yung magiging kasagutan. Saka bibilang ako ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip ka na ng question, diba? So, umpisahan na natin. Isip na kayo dyan, guys, na magiging questions. 1, 2, 3. So, let's proceed now. Angels answer, give me information. So, don't stop, no? So, ibig sabihin dito, sinasabi ng angels guide sa'yo na huwag kang hihinto. Ano man yung hinihingi mong kasagutan, huwag kang hihinto o huwag kang titigil. And because if you believe, basta naniniwala ka lang, tuloy mo lang yan. No? So, let's see what is the messages of life. Let's see what is the messages of life for you. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information for messages of life. Na kasi sinasabi dito, guys, a door to the infinite. So, sinasabi dito, okay, at my heart center, there is a door that leads to the infinite. Today, I visit my heart center and open the door. As I enter, experiences a deep sense of serenity And I understand that I am eternal, that I am indestructible. From here, I can see beyond my life challenges to the higher level of my existence. I know now the inner light is infinite. So alam mo, lahat ng mga pintuang binubukas sa'yo ay alam mong walang hanggan yan, no? Kumbaga lahat ng mga bagay na yan, may mga bagay na matututunan ka. 'Di ba? Hindi titigil yung pag-aaral at hindi yung mga bagay na matututunan mo, no? Kumbaga kailangan mo malaman yung mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo around around the around you, no? Na kailangan mong pag-isipan at kailangan mong unawain. So kailangan mo talagang maging observant sa lahat na nangyayari sa iyo kasi there's a lot of challenges and there's a lot of obstacles na mararanasan mo, no? Sa lahat ng mga sacrifices and sa lahat ng mga betrayal na nangyayari sa iyo, you are also indestructible. Hindi ka nila masisira ng basta-basta. Basta wag kang titigil sa pangarap mo, huwag kang titigil at maniwala, no? Patuloy na maniwala sa lahat ng bagay na there's a miracle behind the scenes, no? Merong hope at merong himala na nakalaan para sa iyo. So this is monthly gabay for the month of December 2023 for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. This reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig nag-uumapa ng balik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!